In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Asana's Custom Onboarding. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by project management tools, fear not. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll be on your way to creating streamlined processes and efficient workflows using Asana's powerful platform. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to head over to Asana. If you don't already have an account, signing up is a straightforward process, but if you're an existing user, simply log into your dashboard. Once you've successfully accessed the platform, you'll see the rich array of tools that Asana offers to help manage your projects effectively. Now, let's move on to creating a new project. Locate the Create button on your dashboard, which is typically situated prominently on the top bar. Clicking on this will present you with several options, but for now, our focus is on building something from scratch, so go ahead and click on Project. Upon selecting Project, you'll face another decision. Asana offers several templates and suggestions, but we want to start with a clean slate, so choose Blank Project. This allows you maximum flexibility in designing your project to suit your specific needs. Once you've picked Blank Project, it's time to give your new project a name that aligns with its purpose. For this tutorial, we'll name it Onboarding, which is applicable to any company or team looking to set up a new hire or client onboarding process effectively. Naming your project clearly and succinctly helps keep your team aligned and ensures everyone knows the project's purpose at a glance. Next, click on the Setup with Asana AI button. This feature is particularly exciting as it introduces the AI's intuitive capabilities into your project setup. It helps you with suggestions and optimizations, ensuring your onboarding process is efficient and well structured from the get-go. In the following step, you'll specify the kind of project you're aiming to create. It could be anything from onboarding new employees to managing client projects. Type in a brief description that captures the project's intent. This allows the AI to tailor its suggestions more closely to your needs. With that description in place, click on Generate Preview. This step gives you a chance to review what the AI has curated based on your input before any final decisions are made. It's always a good idea to take a moment here to ensure everything aligns with your objectives. Satisfied with the preview? Great. The final action you need to take is to click Create Project. And just like that, your custom onboarding project is set up in Asana. You can now start populating it with tasks and timelines relevant to your onboarding needs. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to setting up Asana's custom onboarding. You're now equipped to make your processes smoother, saving you and your team both time and stress. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing with Asana.